So we will be showing you some of the Japan goodies that my husband bought for us in Japan. This one, it's Orihiro jelly. Ay, naubos na siya. Nagustuhan siya ng anak ko because hindi siya masyadong matamis. And hindi siya messy kainin. Yan, this one. It's like a jelly. You like this? And then, this one naman, macadamia chocolate. Yan. So, this one naman, I like it. Hershey's cookies and cream. Yan. This one. It's like a cookies and cream na may strawberries sa loob. Yeah. Freeze-dried strawberry. It has a freeze-dried strawberry sa loob. So, let's try. You want to try? Yeah. Okay, let's try. So, ganito ang itsura niya sa loob. Yeah. Beef. Cookies and cream siya. And then, you try. You like it? Show them. Show them what's inside. Show them what's inside. You like it? What's inside? Show them what's inside. There. And 4 baked creamy cheese. This one we already tried, pero I'll show it to you. So it looks like this. And when you open, so ganito yung itsura niya. Mga small pieces ng cream cheese. Let's try. Oh, that's cheese. Cream cheese siya. Ganito yung itsura niya. So I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 inside. Parang siya nagme-melt sa mouth. So, it's Morinaga baked creamy cheese. Yan. So, parang siya nagme-melt sa mouth na cheesy siya na medyo matamis. Meiji pistachio. You want to taste? Oh, we will open. Yeah, Meiji pistachio. So, open natin siya. We open. It here. Okay. So, when you open it, ganyan siya. So, this, and open it. Ayan. Meron siyang chocolate sa loob. Try it. You like it? It's chocolate. And that's a chocolate with pistachio. Meiji pistachio din siya, pero pearl white. Pearl white naman siya. I want to taste. So, let's try. Let's open it. Try, ganito siya. Ayan. Ano taste? Syrup. Syrup. I like it. White chocolate siya. Pero mas gusto ko to. Cafe mocha. I think it has 4 packs inside. Starbucks Cafe Mocha from Japan. From Japan. Ito yung You like it? Chocolate and chocolate. Yung bar siya ng chocolate. ng Milo. Another Starbucks pala. Starbucks Sakura Strawberry Latte. I have to try this pa. So, I can't give a review. Macadamia. Meiji macadamia. Right?
I want to taste.
So, let's try. So, this one is the packaging. Ayan.
Ito.
Oh, you try. I think this one is 72% chocolate. Let's try. Like it? %72 chocolate, dark chocolate to. Baka hindi siya magustuhan ng mga bata. Since tinry niya, hindi niya masyado nagustuhan. Great. Flavor and packaging. This is how it looks like. Okay, so let's try.
I want to taste.
Oh, you want to taste? Oh, hati tayo. So, KitKat siya. Na cookies and cream. Okay, let's try. This one. Baka hindi mo gusto. I like it. Here's another KitKat with Sanrio character. Ayan siya. Try. So, I noticed na paper yung packaging niya. It is good. So, ganito siya. How cute. Yeah, so cute. Oh, iba-iba pala siya. So, we got here Sweet Piano. And then Kirimi-chan. Kirimi-chan. I don't know kung tama ito pronounce ko. This one is Kiki and Lala. And then, ano ba? Ayun! Hello City! And then, si Pochako. And then, si Kuromi. Tag natin si Batsmaru. And Pochako. I think lahat naman ito strawberry flavor. We will show them what's inside. Oh, this is how it looks inside. You don't like? You don't like to try? Mommy will try. Strawberry.
I want this.
It's the same. Same lang siya ng nasa inside. Like it? Okay, next is KitKat. I think this is matcha.
Awesome.
Yes, we will try. It's like inside.
I don't know.
So, hindi ako sure kung ano yung nakasulat. But I'll try. Here's. Matcha. KitKat, matcha, and chocolate. Kung mapapansin niyo yung packaging ng KitKat is paper, which is good kasi although hindi talaga may iwasan na magkaroon ng plastic kasi But at least we tried na ma-minimize yung use ng plastic. This one, nakalimutan ko na ipakita this one. Yung KitKat with chocolate and matcha. Yung itsura niya.
Kacang.
Then yung matcha soda. That's it. So kung ayaw niyo yung sobrang pagka-matcha flavor nung isa kanina, combination siya ng chocolate. So here, let's try. This is the packaging. And then, dark chocolate. This Ichiran ramen. Ayan. So, I think 5 pieces na siya sa loob. So, I'll let you know kung okay siya. Pero I think masarap to kasi maraming nag-recommend ito. We also have matcha milk. Double rich taste. Matcha milk. Yan. And then, Kyoto Uji Matcha. Okay. Bye-bye.